I will never doubt the power of digital marketing again after seeing this. Ready to unlock your future? Imagine this. You're at home, juggling the kids, managing the household, and still finding time to build a career. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. With digital marketing, you can transform your life and create multiple streams of income right from your living room. Why is digital marketing the #1 skill to learn in 2025? Because it gives you the freedom to work from anywhere, the flexibility to set your own schedule, and the power to build a business that grows while you sleep. It's perfect for stay-at-home moms looking to make a change. Enter the Legacy Builders program and Academy 6DM program. These aren't just courses, they're life changers. Our Legacy Builders program equips you with everything you need to start your digital marketing journey, from basic skills to advanced strategies. And the Academy 6DM program? It's your ticket to mastering the art of digital marketing, with step-by-step guidance and support every step of the way. Imagine earning money while watching your kids grow, becoming a role model for them, and showing them what's possible with a bit of determination and the right skills. It's time to take control of your future. Visit our website and check out our Beacon store today. Don't wait. Your future is ready to be unlocked with digital marketing. Let's build your legacy together.